Hey.
At the same time,
Yeah. Yo, what is up guys? Today we're out on a ride with Ella. Some of the OGs of this channel might remember her from some videos I made a couple of years ago. And in those videos, I was on my Ninja 400, she was on her R3, and here we are, 2 years later, still on the same bikes. Ella and I met during our learner's permit a few years ago, and then we actually reconnected through TikTok, which, you know, is a pretty standard place these days to find some biker friends to ride with. We organized a few rides, they were great, we had some good times, but life got in the way, I guess, and we just lost touch. Recently, I stumbled across her again, and we teed up another ride. It's so wholesome that Ella and I can reconnect after a couple of years and, you know, just hop back on our bikes and go for a ride. Ah, she's going for it. Yeah, I'm so cautious on these roads when I'm alone, but the moment I've got another rider to play with, I'm like wrapped in my leather cocoon and a backpack, kind of suffocating to death, and Ella is out here living the dream, just no jacket. But what can I say? I am a cautious dude and I don't regret that. A big part of the Gutter Rash brand is all the gear most of the time, so on an occasion like this where we're headed out for a recreational run into the hills, that's like, for me, gear is a must. So the cool thing about Ella is she got her license and completely immersed herself in riding. I still see her out and about every now and again. She's got a very distinct colorway with the all black and the blue visor on the R3, and she lives local to my area. But man, she's just always on her bike, and that is awesome to see. And we've got a couple of really cool bikes, the Ninja 400, the Yamaha R3. I used to own one of those. Again, the OGs of this channel will remember that. Not the facelift model, which is what Ella is on at the moment, but the first generation. As someone who did a fair bit of freeway riding, a lot more commuting on those bigger roads. Oh shit, she's sending it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. The Ninja 400's amazing, and as is the R3. They're both very similar bikes. The 400 just has a bit more grunt. They're both great to learn on, they're both great to commute on, they're both great to do track days on. Ella's also done a few track days, which I'll ask her about when we get to properly sit down and chat. And so have I now, so it's cool. It's great to see that we started our journey at the same time, and we've kind of progressed in a similar fashion. We're both still in love with these low cc learner sports bikes, and you got to keep in mind I'm on like my 5th bike at the moment, so it's not like I haven't tried stuff. And throughout all of that, the Ninja 400 is the one I have not sold. It's a piece of magic, guys. That was nice.
I know, I love it, right?
So good. Haha! Hell yeah! And we're off again. That was a, yeah, fucking great little stop. I had a delicious B&E with some hollandaise, an iced latte. Yeah, bloody awesome chat, man. Just good to catch up and talk about all things motorcycles. She's been to the track 4 times. I need to get those stats, man. I gotta get my track time up. I want to, because I love it so much. And the issue is, the more seat time I get, the more and more I start to push the boundaries. And that becomes a problem because I don't have a trailer, so I'm riding to the track and back. If I had a trailer, I wouldn't have to worry at all. Like, I wouldn't mind dumping this as long as I could get home without paying an exorbitant towing fee. In order to hire a trailer, I need a car with a tow bar, which I just don't have. And that's my biggest hesitation about going to the track henceforth. But Ella's also dumped her bike. I saw the footage. Man, it was not her fault. Nah, she was on a straight and some dude on an S1K was barreling into her, doing like 260k an hour. He hit her. Luckily it was a glancing blow, but they both came off. Thankfully Ella was completely fine, bar some bruising and a ripped, torn jacket, which clearly did its job. Her bike got away with fairly unscathed considering the circumstance. She had a snapped clip-on and some cracked fairings of the sort, but she's kind of patched it up and was able to get riding again. She's put 50,000 Ks on her bike over the past few years, which is just so impressive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, I gotta not be silly about this. The great thing about having someone in front of me is it stops me from doing anything dumb. I say as I slide my butt off the seat, which I should not be doing on the streets because it's unnecessary. Just can't help myself. The temptation, oh baby. See, I just want to bloody overtake, but I shouldn't. Alright, slide the butt off. Oh, get a lean going. It's not a... I don't need to get my butt off though. Especially at those low speeds. Like, I'm not... It actually impedes my body positioning because I'm trying to support myself, which wouldn't be the case if I was kind of going a little faster. But because I'm going so slow, it's unnecessary. So let's just stick to upper body, point the head out, we get the elbow down, lean in towards the wing mirror. Oh, the RS3. Someone let me test drive one of these, please. Nice road. That's fun. Man, this is vibes. This is the life. Riding my motorcycle, being able to share the passion with people who also love motorcycles. Just going for a chill cruise. So good, so good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.